when I close it, let me just show it here, back down again for easy entry. The most powerful Audi ever made. It's insanely fast and it feels like it's unstoppable. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it on. Whoa! Welcome back to another video where today you join me right inside the all new 2025 model Audi RS e-tron GT Performance. We will be doing an Autobahn run and drive today. Before we start with the drive, let me show you the car from the outside. This is how the car looks from the outside. It's a dark grey finish. Since we have the performance model here, we have forged carbon fiber all around the car, and since we have winter now, this car is sitting on winter tires. Normally we have these wheels here for the performance specific. Forged carbon fiber even here on the side mirror caps. And yeah, let me show you the back of it, how the car looks like. Extremely wide, and the diffuser in the back you can see is all finished in forged carbon fiber. It's quite cool. How do you guys like it? That's about it for the outside. This spoiler can actually move all the way out. We'll be doing that when we drive. Let's jump inside. Audi RS e-tron GT, here you have it. Let's get it on. As soon as, watch this, as soon as I open the door, the car jumps all the way up. When I close it, let me just show it here, it moves all the way back down again for easy entry. I think up to 10 centimeters, and then easy entry inside the Audi RS e-tron GT. Audi is always sending us an overview of the prices here in Germany. The base price is at 174,000 euros, as you can see here. And the final price with all the options is at 219,000 euros. This is quite a lot. Insane. The optic package, the carbon camouflage, this is how they call it for the outside, is costing you 4,300 euros. This is insane. And then the active air suspension, which lifts up and down, will give you also 7,000 euros of options here. This is insane. Exterior is called Arabic Grey, and the inside we have an Audi exclusive here. This looks absolutely cool. There's also an option here. The interior finish is actually really interesting. I love the color here, the fabric, the finish, all around, quite a lot of details here. How do you guys like it? So we are making our way towards the German Autobahn as we speak here. The car has got quite a lot of drive select driving modes. We can choose between efficiency, comfort and dynamic. Yeah, as soon as you have a dynamic, you also get a quite cool interior sound feedback, and we can also set the RS1 and RS2 mode. It's also interesting, and the performance mode also from the RS button here as well. And then we have this boost button. We'll be showing you that later on. So for the drive, as you can see, we have 200 kilometers of range with a total battery range of 60%, 59%. You can see 198 kilometers is nothing. I mean, as soon as I change it to efficiency mode again, let me just do that here. As soon as I put in efficiency mode, you can see it will give us 230 kilometers. I mean, it always depends on your driving style. So the car is set. Let me just set it to performance mode now. RS1, RS2, unlimited here. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it on. Whoa! 260 top speed, 265 I guess. Whoa, breaking it down again. Whoa, insane. The G-force is insane. Well, I didn't expect that. Whoa. And then we have an additional boost mode here, which I will be demonstrating you in a second. It will give us a total boost of like 10 seconds, I guess. And then we have an extra peak performance with the boost mode in specifics. Quite interesting. I think total output is at 950 horsepower. It's the most powerful Audi ever made. I mean, the performance mode is just the best. 200, easy. Easy. And breaking it down again, recuperating here, giving us even more range. It's interesting. All right, making our way towards the next Autobahn, which is unlimited here. Performance mode is set. Let me just slow down the car. Let's go! Ay, 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 ay. Let's push it all the way up to top speed. Peak power 263. This is the max. We're losing so much range. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Breaking it down again. Ay, ay, ay. Easy. Way too easy. Look, breaking it down to all the way to 140 and then back up again. Ay. 20, 230, 240, 250, 260. That's it. Breaking it down, recuperating here. You can also set the recuperation with the pedals here. Quite interesting. Wow, this is quick. Unlimited again, 3 to 1. Let's go. Ay, 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 ay. 260, top speed. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, 260 is the max. We're losing so much range, as you can see here. And then recuperating here again. Breaking it all the way down. Ay, 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 ay. Insane speed. I mean, in between 0 to 100 is crazy. The power, the performance, and then we have the boost mode. Let's go. Ah, so much power. So much power. And that's it. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I mean, the force you feel in between 0 to 100, 0 to 150 is insane. Insane. Ay, this car gives you so much confidence. I need a break after this. Driving this top speed is, I mean, top speed is limited at 260 just because of the battery. But all in all, I have to tell you, it's insanely fast and it feels like it's unstoppable. This is so cool. But is it worth 220,000 euros? I am not sure. And if you use at used car markets, you're losing a lot of money. I mean, you can get a used RS E-Tron GT Performance already, I guess, on regular RS E-Tron for half of the price, maybe. Yeah, you have no value. That's the only issue that people criticize about. The used EV market is literally dead. How do you guys like today's drive inside the Audi RS E-Tron GT? I hope you enjoyed it. It's unlimited again, 3 to 1. Let's get it on! I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Oh, I love the Autobahn. Okay, and I'm breaking it down again. We felt a lot of weight here as I was braking. We have an Audi against an Audi. Let's go. Mine is way faster. Way faster. Look at the colors. Looks amazing. Audi brothers for life. Yeah, this one, the approach, I mean, in terms of performance, output, power, torque is it's insane. I mean, EVs is always insane, but the performance model here from Audi is so cool to drive, so easy. It gives you so much confidence. It's simple. It's just simple. You push the boost button, will give you additional boost. Performance button here, just watch this, and so much more power. Okay. Whoa. How do you guys like today's video? Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. Thanks so much. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.